Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HCSG employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in hub.hcsgcorp.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for HCSG employee login. Now simply type in your employee ID or your email address within the employee ID/email box and then click on the login button underneath. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your password and then click on the login button once again and you will be logged in to your HCSG Corp employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the option to reset your password within the password page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with HCSG Corp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.